is she then?
She's here.
Hello, Nina.
I just need everyone to look at this. This is the most perfect sleeping cat I've ever seen in my life. Number one, multicolored Pete's available. Let me focus. Perfectly available for the look-in. He is hugging himself to sleep. And I don't even want to talk about this.
Saving the world one location at a time.
Boy. First ever trained hornet. Land. Good boy. Now fly, Humphrey.
Oh my goodness. Pudding. Oh my god.
These cats always show up after a snowfall. And I certainly enjoy sharing warmth with them.
Catnip. Look at it.